Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 7th of July 2024. I'll be going over my weekly prediction for Nvidia. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts. And then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review last week's prediction and go over this one, the monthly charts. But before getting into them, it's important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational, and therefore it's important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to make sure that you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style of your own trades. This is not a trading guide or anything. It's just an educational video going over the rationale behind my predictions, so do keep that in mind. Now, Nvidia clearly has been going up very, very dramatically. I mean, if we zoom, we can see this for sure. If I just reset the chart view, let me just reset this. Yeah, okay. So we can see how much Nvidia has rocketed throughout this last year and a half, if you will. But recently, you can see that there's some very, very high upper wicks, long upper wicks have been made, and volume is declining as price goes up. So this is clearly a volume divergence. ADX, however, is going up since price action-wise, obviously the momentum is there. RSI is overbought. The monthly charts and the month of June, we can see clearly went up really high and then went down towards the end, and we'll see this in the weekly charts. So it's safe to assume that the steam is going down a little bit, at least on the monthly level. So we can expect that at least for this month that there needs to be a little bit of a correction for Nvidia, since this volume trend going down is very, very discouraging, as it does not show that there is much strength left in this trend. Weekly charts similarly, very, very upwards, but the last few weeks we can see the market went down heavily. I mean, this week here market crashed down. Next week we had a doji, and this week we have another spinning top candle. So it's very indecisive as to where it wants to go. And we will stick with that, and we want to wait to see where the market is going to go. Now, RSI is technically overbought, however it is going down. So again, we have actually another divergence here. So if you look here, RSI is going down, but from this point upwards, the price action actually has gone up. So it's safe to say that the RSI is not confirming the price movement that we're seeing right now. ADX is wobbly, but it is still going upwards, you could say. It's plateaued a little bit because of the few sideways candles. However, we're still in an uptrend, definitely, but it is losing steam. That is what I'm saying, because of the lack of volume, and obviously RSI is not confirming it either. So I'm calling it right now. Nvidia, even if it's just a short or intermediate term, we are looking at an impending correction for Nvidia, considering that, technically, but it's safe to say Nvidia is one of those companies where new product launches are not a rare event, so fundamentally something might change. That's why we are sticking with the wait to see where the price goes approach as for now. Daily price action has a very similar pattern. I mean, we can clearly see how sideways the market has been, and we can draw this range here quite clearly, and this is where our breakout needs to be from to ensure that we are in a safe position. Now, volume even more obviously has been declining. RSI is going down, so this actually is confirming this price movement. ADX is going down clearly because we're not trending. However, we are still in an overarching uptrend as explained by the DMI plus. That's what we get from the technical analysis. Last week didn't have a trade. This week we'll buy when it crosses 128.85, sell when it falls below 118.83 with a target of 2% and a trailing stop loss of 1%. If the stop loss really isn't hit, and we will just close on Friday. Since the stop loss is trailing, we will just wait until the stop loss is hit, and we'll close on Friday if the market action continues in that direction. And the weekly trend currently is sideways. You actually should change that. The weekly trend currently is sideways. However, the monthly trend is still up. Yes, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you next time.